Hello everybody! Hello, how are you? This is your teacher Nelida, and in this opportunity we have a video about expressing future. Expressing future. Repeat. Expressing future. Yeah, there are many ways to express the future. For example, will, we use the auxiliary will. Also, we use be going to, or the present continuous, the present simple, the future continuous, or the future perfect. All these structures are used to express the future. However, in this opportunity, we are going to concentrate on the first two ways to express the future. It means will and we going to. Now let's start. On one side we have going to. On the other side we have will. Going to is to express plans, intentions, and predictions based on evidence. One more time. Going to is to express plans, fixed plans that you have for the future, intentions, clear intentions that you have for the future, and also predictions, but predictions based on evidence. This is the most important part, that we must base our predictions on evidence. And let's go to the other side with the will. When we talk about will, we are talking about promises. In the future, of course. Instant decisions, offers, and predictions, but with no evidence. So, with will, the evidence is not important, but with going to, yes, it is really important. When we have evidence for a prediction, we use be going to, and when we don't have evidence for the future, we use will. Okay, so this is the main difference. Okay, don't forget, going to for plans, intentions, and predictions based on evidence, and will with promise, instant decisions, offers, predictions with no evidence. Okay, so let's see some examples. Here we have some examples with will plus the base form of the verb. Will plus the base form of the verb. Number 1. I will have a cup of coffee and a cheesecake. I will have a cup of coffee and a cheesecake. Here I have just decided into restaurant is an instant decision. When I have an instant decision, I use a will. When we decide something instantaneously, just in the moment, we use will. For example, I will have a cup of coffee and a cheesecake. It's an instant decision. Let's go with the number 2. This is, I find the right job one day. I'll find the right job one day. I think this will happen, but I have no evidence. In this case, I am making a prediction, but without evidence. So I will use will. When I don't have evidence for my predictions, I use will. Let's go with the number 3. I will help you with these bags. I will help you with these bags. I am offering my help. So this is an offer. For offers, we use will. And the last one. I will call you as soon as arrive. I will call you as soon as arrive. In this case, this is a promise. So when we promise something to somebody, we use will. Okay, so let's sum it up. We use will for instant decisions, for predictions without evidence, when we make some offers, and with some promises. Okay, so this is the will. Now let's go with the other side, that is going to. Be going to. Be going to plus the base form of the verb. For example, I am going to visit my grandma. I'm going to visit my grandma. This is what I have planned. Plan or intention. I have already decided this. This is a plan. I did a plan previously. I had this intention previously. So I express this with going to. And the other, I'm referring to evidence and making predictions. Predictions based on evidence. For example, it's going to rain. Look at those black clouds. What is my evidence? Those black clouds. This is my evidence. And I predict it is going to rain. I'm doing a prediction based on evidence. Okay, so in order to sum up, we use going to plus the base form for plans or intentions, previous plans, previous intentions that we have already decided, and also for predictions based on evidence. Well, so that's it. This is the difference between will and going to, and see you in another video. Thank you for watching.